walk. Trying to get back in shape. Yeah. Why are you trying to get back in shape? I don't know. Hey, how's Conrad? Yeah, I think that he went to the hospital. Well, okay. And, yeah, the doctor said for him to help them and, yeah, I told him to come home and rest. So, he's resting. How's Alice? Doesn't she like him? Yeah, I think so. But, yeah, she's just been up there checking on him all day. But that's good. Yeah. Okay, then. Wait. What? Do you think that I should bail on Valentine and go with Lillian? Dude, it's your choice, okay? I'm sure Valentine won't care. Okay, thanks. Okay, then. Whoa. Oh, hello. Though, aren't you Charlotte? My name's Charlotte, not Charlotte. Okay, but, yeah. Okay. Aren't you dating that big, fluffy, black guy? He's actually a gorilla, and he's, like, really hot, so shut your fat trap. Okay. Yeah. Whatever. Okay, then. Asshole. Gosh. What's wrong with you? Nothing. Come on, what's wrong with you? I said nothing. You're being a little douche, you know. Sorry. It's just, what? Okay, I was outside. Okay. I was playing with a wagon. Okay. I was sitting on it, and it was, like, rolling down the hill. Okay. And then, yeah, it hit a rock. Okay. Yeah, and it, like, flipped over. Okay. And I, like, landed on my face. Okay. Yeah, and it hurt like a bitch. Well, how's the rock? I don't know, I didn't check on it. Poor rock. What? So you don't care about me? You care about a rock? Well, maybe that rock has more feelings than you little douche. Ugh. Whatever. Gosh. Oh, hey Valentine. Hello. Can I ask you something? Sure. Would you care if I went with Lillian instead to the dance? No, I'd just be kind of lonely. Okay, I'll go with Lillian. Okay. I see how it is. Lonely summer, it's summer and I'm not. Oh, hey. Hi. What do you want? Beef jerky. But, dude, I ain't getting you ball honky, okay? It's over. Whatever. You know what? I'm gonna get me somebody, and then they're gonna give me all the beef jerky. Well, I guess they choose to be your slave, then. Whatever. Whatever. That was a nice night. Yeah, it was. Okay, then. Yeah. So you gonna play Life again tonight? Sure. We can watch Fried Green Tomatoes or something. That's fun. Yeah. Well, I gotta go to work. Wait, you have a job? Yeah? No, I feel bad. Hold on, I just work at Walmart. Yeah, I work in, like, the produce aisle. I had to put all the oranges on the cart. It's kind of weird, but okay. Well, how much do we get paid? Like, $5 an hour, so it's not much. Well, at least you got something. Yeah. Well, I gotta go. Bye. See you later. Bye. Okay, then. Ugh. Why do I have to help you every time, Tessa? Ugh, I need help getting up that. I know. So, what's going on with Sherwin? Well, he stopped with the pot. That's good. And so he doesn't have to go back to Nadine. And he's actually pretty glad about that. He hates her. Well, okay. Have you been back to Nadine since you, talked about your dad? No, but thanks for reminding me of that. Sorry. That's okay. So, my mom's gone. Well, yay. Yeah, but I'm gonna miss her because, she does love me. Yeah. That's good, though. Yeah. Well, when is she gonna come back? I think that she's gonna come back to check on us in, like, a few weeks. Okay? Then she's gonna come back for my birthday. Oh, when's that? April 18th. Well, that's fun. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna talk to Sherwin, okay? Okay, bye. Okay then. Bye, sir. Nicotine. Heroin, morphine. Is that what you've been doing? No, I was just singing the Camila Cabello song. Oh, I thought it was Camila Cabello. Yeah, well, you were wrong. I've been watching videos on it because I wanted to say it right. Okay, then. Yeah. It's called Never Be the Same. It's cool. Cool. So, are you feeling better? Yeah. Are we still on for the, were you trying to say something with your mouth open? No, I was just, trying to get situated, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So, are we still on for the Valentine's dance next week? Yeah, sure. Okay. Well, bye. Bye. Wonder when he's gonna wake up. Conrad! Hey, Alice. Why are you here? I just wanted to check on you. You wanted to check on me? I do like you, Conrad. Well, I like you too. But I'm not sure if I'll still be able to go to the dance. We could always try. That's true. Well, how are you feeling? A little bit better, but I need a few more hours of rest. Yeah. Well, hope you get rested up. Whoa. I do not see what JJ did not see in you. Because you're actually a pretty good kisser. I think you have had lots of experience. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, then. No, probably should get some more rest. Okay, well, I'm gonna go eat lunch. I'll see you later. Bye, Alice. Bye, Conrad. That was hot. Oof, should probably go back to bed.
Sorry, Lillian, but this is like all the food I can touch in the house, because last time, I got drunk, and yeah, I like ate everything, and so like I can only touch Ritz, almonds, and Chips Ahoy.
Well, that's fun.
Yeah.
Well, are you gonna give me some or what?
Well, which one do you want?
Which one do you think I want?
Almonds, Ritz, Chips Ahoy.
Oh, I hate you.
Have your freaking Chips Ahoy. Gosh. Llamas take all the good stuff.
Yeah, we do.
Weirdo. Guess I'll just eat me some Ritz. Ugh, can't even get. Ugh, tastes so good. Ugh, stuck together. Ugh, I think I'm stuck. Yeah. Yum. Sir, my Ritz just fell over.
Are you okay, sir?
Dude, just eat your freaking chewy Chips Ahoy. Oh, yeah. Oh, I hate her. I don't know why. Freaking got Valentine out of this. Gosh. lonely, depressed, and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, crap! I fell again. Hate life. Did you just eat all of the Chips Ahoy cookies? Maybe? Ugh, you suck. This date is so over. Fine. I'm taking the almonds.
Hiya! Can I get a hiya? Ugh, I hate saying that. No, I'm always like that. Can I get a hiya? Because I freaking hate that. Oh, don't turn me in. Dude, I'm not even a police officer anymore. So, yeah. Are you okay? Yeah. But you're not a police officer anymore, so I won't turn you in. Okay? Yeah, I'm just Tabby the cat. Cool. So what's up with you? No, I'm about to go to an appointment. Why? I'm trying to meet someone. No, that's cool. Yeah. But isn't that person right in front of you? No. You don't know what I'm into. Oh, okay then. Bye. Ugh, totally just lost my cover. Crap. Are you okay, sir? Yeah. Oh, aren't you going to that appointment today at Nadine? Yeah. And I'm gonna meet somebody. Well, they're good for you. Thanks. Yeah. Well, I hope you have a good time, and I hope that you meet the right person. Me too. I really want to have somebody at the Valentine's dance on Valentine's Day, you know? Because otherwise I might be heartbroken. I'm gonna bang my head against the wall like, why? Oh, that's fun. Yeah, totally. Where's Rusty? Oh yeah, he works at Walmart apparently. Fun. Yeah. And so yeah, he's at Walmart working. Okay then. Well, see you later. Okay. Weird. Miss Rusty. At least he's good to me. Hey. Hey. So Tabby's about to go to her appointment. That's fun. Yeah. Where's Rusty? At Walmart. Oh, cool. Is he shopping or something? No, he's working. Okay. Well, at least he has a job. Unlike me. Yeah. I mean, you're 26 years old. Oh yeah, aren't you about to turn 27? Yeah, in April. Yeah, thought so. Well, what do you want for your birthday? I just want you. As my friend, not like that. Oh, okay, good. Yeah. Well, bye. Bye. Polar! Yeah, nobody got that. Oh, hey JJ. How's Lillian? Oh yeah, we went on a date. I got out some what are they called? Ritz, that's what they're called. Ritz, I think. Can't remember. Yeah, me neither. Yeah, and then I got out, some almonds, and, I got out some chewy Chips Ahoy. Did she eat them all? Maybe? You suck. Sorry. But yeah, I dumped her, or whatever, for that. So if you still want to go, sure, whatever. Ugh. I think I just ruined everything. Oh, hey, dude. Yo. Okay, then. But I'm not gonna kill you. Maybe I will. Ha ha ha. Oh, hey. Hey. Are you done being a douchebag? Yeah, you wanna go back to my place and watch some Grey's Anatomy? Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna pop some popcorn. I'm dreaming of a white... Why does it have to be white? Are you a lion? Haven't we met? I can't remember. Well, I'm Samson, the lion, and I've been here for a while, so... Okay, then. Yeah. Well, are you not gonna say anything? No. Ugh, whatever. Gotta go eat some vegetables or something. Well, at least he has a good appetite. I'm ready for my next customer. Ugh. At least I don't have to go to their house for this one. Gosh. Always had to see that sheep and that, that sloth that smokes pot. I'm like, what the hell's going on with life? What the hell? Oh, hey. Oh, hey, you must be, Tabby? Yeah. So you wanted to talk about, getting a girlfriend? Yeah. Okay, well, I have got somebody. She's a social worker. She is a lynx. That's cool. Yeah. And, so, she is a lesbian. Are you a lesbian? Maybe. Okay, and you wanted somebody to go to a Valentine's dance with? Yeah. I need to find somebody. I've been lonely for, like, years. Well, okay then. So, I guess, yeah, she knows I told her where you live, so she'll come see you. Her name's Madeline. That's a cool name. Madeline and Tabby. Yeah, totally. So, yeah, she might, I don't know when she's coming, probably in a few minutes or something, so yeah, you might want to go and wait. Okay, well, bye. Well, good luck. Thank you. That was kind of freaking weird, but okay. Who do I gotta see next? I think next I have to see a dog. No, it wasn't a dog. It was like an anteater or something. I don't know, frick. Ugh. I gotta go. Ugh. Yeah. I'm having sweet, sweet dreams. Hello. Oh. Hey, Alice. Hey. Yeah, I just got back from lunch. It was pretty good. Well, lucky. Can't have anything for like another 4 hours. Sorry. That's okay. So are we still on for the Valentine's dance? Hey, totally. Oh, yeah, get out in there. That was good. I know, right? Well, yeah, are you okay? Help! I need a doctor. There's an here. Are you okay? I don't know. Oh dear. This isn't good. I know. Hope I'll be able to go to the dance. Me too. I love you, Conrad. I love you too, Alice. I should probably get some rest. Yeah, you probably should. I'll go sit down. Okay, bye. Bye, Conrad. That's a good woman there. Yep, sure is. Oh, we should get some rest after that crazy hazard. I'm having sweet, sweet dreams. Jelly beans. Think like beef jerky. I do. What do you want, whore? I'm not a whore. You're the whore. And here I'm gonna go find somebody else. I did. Oh yeah? What's their name? Her name's Jessica. Jessica? Yeah, Jessica. Whatever. Yeah, she has a bunch of weird alphabet stuff on her body.
Didn't she get like a bunch of tattoos?
Probably. Hate you. Awful. Not as awful as your hair. Burn. Oh, wait, she doesn't have any hair. Because she's bald. Burn. Wait. Actually, she has red fur. Ugh, totally ruined it. Ugh. Probably should get back in yoga classes just to fix me up. Oh, hey, Alice. Oh, how's Conrad? He's getting better. Good. Is he resting? Yeah, he is. Are y'all still going to the dance together? Yeah, we should be, if he gets any better. Good. Well, have you been checking up on him all day? Yeah. Have you talked to Tessa at all? No. Well, I think she misses you. I really think she does. Y'all should probably talk, you know? I mean, y'all were such a good couple. Then y'all ended things, and look what's happened. Conrad's gone sick. You start doing pot. Your dad's dead. I know. She probably should. She's probably going through a lot right now. Yeah, you should definitely talk to her. Okay, I will. Thanks. Okay, bye. Bye.
Okay, she said to wait right here, so I am. I'm gonna wait right here. Okay. Who are you?
I'm Madeline.
Madeline?
Yeah, are you Tabby?
Yeah. Are you a lesbian?
Yeah.
Me too. Hey, you wanna go to the dance with me?
Yeah, totally. I've been needing to find somebody for a long time.
Me too. Come on, Madeline, I'll show you around this place, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, yeet. Yeet. Keep doing that, you're gonna get beat.
Now, get off of me.
Trying to sit on me. Yeah. Probably should have stayed on you. Should have gone to Walmart and bought me some beef jerky. You know, you could just ask, like, Rusty or something. I mean, Rusty does work at Walmart. Yes. Good idea. Bye. Okay, then. Weird. Oh. Weird. Oh. Oh. Hey, Earl's probably looking for you. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna talk to Harry. Bye. Okay then. Weirdo.
Oh, hey, dude.
Oh, hey, JJ.
Hey, I'm gonna talk to Lillian.
Why?
Because we had a date or something.
Oh, yeah.
No, it didn't go as well. Like, she took all the Chips Ahoy and she was like, I'm gonna eat all these bitch.
That's kind of weird. I know, right?
So, yeah, I'm gonna talk to her. So, can you go so I can talk to her?
Ugh, whatever.
Ugh, whatever. How's that, like, the main line? Like, everybody says, ugh, whatever. Like, what the frick? What's up with that? Ugh.
Dirty issues.
Huh.
Hey.
What do you want? Yeah, we're not going to the dance together. I'm going with Valentine.
Ugh, I don't care.
What? So you made me take you on a date?
I didn't make you do nothing.
Oh, you suck.
Yeah, I do. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh,
Hey.
hey, can you move? I'm trying to go to the kitchen.
Why?
I'm gonna get some beers. So, because me and Victor were watching some Grey's Anatomy.
What season? 8?
I'm already on season 15.
Whatever. Yeah, bye.
Oh, rude. So weird.
Oh, hey. Hey, I gotta tell you something. What happened? I lost my job at Walmart. What? Why? There was this old man. Yeah. He came up to me. Okay. He grabbed my butt. Okay. Yeah, and he started wiggling around, and then a bunch of people looked, and I was like, what the frick are you doing? He was like, I'm filling you up, man. And I was like, no thanks. And then he was like, yes, thanks. And then the cops came over there, and I'm like, what are you doing? And then the old man walked away, and was like, he grabbed me. So, yeah. Well, we're gonna get you that job back. Thanks. Yeah, come on. Okay. Whew. I like doing that. It's fun. Oh, hey, Sherwin. Hey, I'm sorry I haven't been checking up on you. Are you okay? Kind of, yeah. A bunch has just been going on. I mean, people like me have been putting you through so much. Like, I started doing pots, and your mom's gone, and your mom showed up out of nowhere, and now she's gone, and your dad had died, and you were talking about it. Yeah, you finally decided to go to therapy. You've just been through so much, Tessa. I know. I'm so sorry. Thanks. So, what's going on? Well, Harry's bi. He's dating Rusty. Figured. Are you even okay with that? Yeah, he's my friend. Good. Then y'all should probably talk. I haven't seen y'all talk in a while. Yep, we probably should. Hug. Hug. Thank you. You're welcome, Tessa. See you later. Bye. Bye.